What's up, guys? Today,
What's up, guys? It's Lay Dizzy
and K Drizzy.
back with another video. And today, Victory, please, we're making blueberry brownies.
Muffins.
We've made a cooking video before, and it sucked. But this time it's gonna be better. Okay, so should we get started? Heat oven to 400. It's okay. 400. How do you turn it on?
Oh.
Okay. Lightly spray.
Oh, we don't even have a thing.
We're not prepared for this video. Guys, what are we going through? Come on. Papa? Why did someone start a muffin pan?
Get out.
Spray with
Yeah, screw that.
stick. Oh, yeah, that's good.
The Christmas book.
Come on, muffin mix and milk in small mixing bowls. Stir just until moistened. Okay, so how much milk do we add? It doesn't.
2/3.
Gigi, did you do that? She wagging her toes. She definitely did. Wait for real. Wait.
She probably hit it. I think she hit it.
Yeah, she had to hit it because it was right here, so it had to just fall like that.
Okay.
Okay, whatever. We're just gonna take it to the side. Anyways,
But
long time no see.
why don't you hang out anymore? Okay, she'll be right back. But one. Sorry. 2. That's 2.
Back in a dash.
So basically, I just showed them.
Dude. Okay. Okay. I don't know what's happening, but because there was 2 on the hook. It was like this. So it could have just been barely on there and just fell. So we're fine. I
And she hasn't read it.
no.
Duh.
She hasn't read any of mine since July 3rd. So now we mix.
Well, blueberry.
I like it.
I don't want any mushy things. I want it all to be mushy.
We are the piece of each other. I wish I didn't need chasing relentlessly. Still fighting, I don't know why. It full out.
That time it was me. I don't remember where it was. I think it was.
Okay, done. Okay, so I'm gonna take this spoon.
And just lightly pour it in there.
Clear.
Clear.
My water.
Clear. No. I have to wash the dishes. No. Clear.
Clear.
I have to wash the dishes. You'll be fine, Riley. Oh no. Clear. Okay, now you gotta transition.
Okay,
Ricky. Oh no. I'm a mermaid. Alright, Riley. Here. Oh, thanks, Ricky.
okay, so it's a little bit everywhere, but it's okay.
It's okay like that.
See my boobies.
I see boobies.
Dude, what? It actually felt like something pushed on me. Don't play. I'm not kidding either. I'm not. I'm actually not. Like, no.
wait,
no, no. 15 minutes.
So what do we do in that time? We just have like a dance party?
Listen. Listen.
Dude.
Is the light turn on? I'm not gonna play you the light.
Please tell me that the camera got that.
The I didn't even see it. I was kind of back there. Okay, let's not do that.
Is there like
No,
is
because
it sensitive?
you have to like you have to make a noise.
I'm texting Andrew. Cause this
He's
is like
scared.
this
He's
is like
scared.
freaking me out. I'm just gonna call him. The oven light turned on, but like only for a split second. I don't know if the camera got it or not, but like weird stuff's going on.
Do I get on video?
I hope, but like I don't know if it's just like a coincidence or like if it's like real. I don't know. Okay, I'll text you after we're done filming then.
Alright.
Alright. Anyways. I'm like speechless, like I don't know.
Maybe it's all.
I mean, it could have been like.
No,
Yeah, I don't have like an explanation for that.
Maybe.
Should we keep filming?
I mean, I don't know.
Yeah, we'll just keep filming then. Should we stop the video for now to tell the muffins are like almost done? Alright. We'll be right back.
Okay, so basically,
Okay, this isn't funny anymore, dude.
where even was that?
I don't know. I'm not gonna be playing anymore. Like this is, dude. There's no way that this is happening, guys. Like, my heart's beating. There's no way. I've never like experienced this. Like I watch a lot of videos on it, but like when it happens in real life.
Never happened in my house either.
These are it. So yeah, this is my muffin.
I'm about to get my muffin. It's coming.
It smells really good.
This is my muffin because I see it. No.
Dude, no. Wait, did you actually see it? Is it on the camera?
Yeah, it's open.
Okay, so you guys know we're not lying.
Okay.
I'm gonna shut that. Okay, well, we're just gonna try this and try to, like, leave
Get it
because
over
I'm
with?
scared.
I might eat these.
There's a lot of blueberry, but it's good. I just need some water now. They're making my mouth dry. So No way. No, we have to stop. We can't keep filming after that. We can't keep filming after that. Like, I'm cleaning up and we might have to do the outro elsewhere. I'm freaking out right now. How is this happening? It's been happening recently?
Only in here. I don't.
Should we just do the outro in here or something?
No, do it fast.
Alright, so guys, I feel like they're not gonna believe us.
They're not. Who would?
Okay, whether they do or not, like, we were here. We know what happened. We saw it. So that's that. Anyways, guys, that was a video. We were just cooking. It was just a wholesome video. We ran out of ideas, but now I don't even know if the camera caught any of that besides the one opening. Maybe that one too, but I'm not sure. But we're gonna go because so this is Late Dizzy.
Okay, Drizzy.
Signing out. Ow.
I got black, I got white, what you want? Hop outside a ghost and hop up in a fan on. I know I'm about to blow, oh, oh. I ain't done. They try to take my floor, I take